Wait, let's stay in this area because I can see better.
Bike ride. Let's go, guys.
Stay in the shade so I can see better.
Okay, guys. If you like this video, leave a comment down below.
A like
Like riding your bike
and hit that like button and make
subscribe
sure.
and turn that notification bell on if you like this video. You don't have to subscribe. You just can if you want. Okay, guys? It's your choice. I'm not.
And leave a like if you want to.
It does not matter if you don't or you don't.
And we want to get 10,000 subscribers so we could be on YouTube a lot.
Because it's our first video. So guys, let's go play bike ride. Let's go. We'll go this way.
Like Minecraft and Fortnite. Want to end the video now? Want to end the video now? After we go all the way around the block.
Photos, you wanna go and you wanna hit this little thing that
What?
and it has 1, 2, 3, and it's going down, and you tap it, and it says upload, and it has an arrow pointing up, and you wanna hit that, and it'll be up. It will be loading, and I don't know that far. So, when you try it, I can meet you guys on YouTube. And yeah, but I won't be coming down below or subscribing for you. I don't know anything about them. So guys, let's take a bike ride and enjoy our fun.
And then we'll post it on YouTube and you guys can watch our video right now. After we post it on YouTube though. After we go all the way around the block, we'll post this video.
Guys, you have to comment down below if you know how to, and tell me that you subscribed and gave a thumbs up.
And leave a like for both of us.
Yeah, we want to get 2,000 likes.
Can you just hit the like button just once? You don't have to if you don't want to. If you like us, you just watch our videos. We'll make a lot of them. But right now we only have one video.
We're only going to have one video. And
we'll have more videos. We'll make the best video on Wednesday. Okay, guys? It's sunny outside. Okay, let's go. We can go fast.
So, looks like there's hair to me.
Excuse me. And he's wearing a Minecraft shirt, so. to our house.
I'm getting tired.
Josie will want me to ride the bike now. Make sure you just leave a like if you want to, or subscribe. Make sure you're just looking at the camera. Look at the camera. Okay, let's go back home now. Go fast, really fast. I'll run as fast as I can. Okay, slow down. Wait for me. Yeah. Wait. I'll cut through these houses. You can go. But make sure you stop right where they're between these two houses. Okay? Go! Okay, keep going. Don't do that. Our house is right there, the black car. The white house. Because that's our house. Make sure every day you knock, only if you find your house. We're almost home. Right here. Oh no, we're not going to do that.
Don't come to our house.
Make sure you leave that like and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.